Hello, I am Patricia Tarleton, and today I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify to record your lessons so that will help you to teach remotely. So here up in the search, I'm going to screencastify.com. It is a free Chrome extension, so you want to make sure you're in your Chrome browser. I'm going to add to my Chrome. I'm already logged into Chrome. If you're not logged in with your Gmail, you want to make sure you log in. Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's adding, and it's adding up here. Notice up at the top this little arrow. So it has been added. Sign in with Google, and I kept this automatically save videos to Google Drive. That way, if I forget to turn it on, then I know it's there. It'll always be there. So here we go. Sign in with Google. Choose your Gmail account. Allow. Want to make sure your camera and microphone are on. It's always best to have your camera on as well. Drawing annotation tools, yeah, we can leave that on too. We want to allow it to use the microphone and the camera. Camera just gives it a little more personal touch. It's first time setting it up, so I want to tell them I'm an educator, grade school, and hooray, we are in. Okay, so here we are. I've opened up my presentation, and this is what I want to present to the students. Or if you're doing a business meeting, this is what you would be presenting. Click on the arrow up here. This is my desktop that I'm recording. I'm going to go to more options just to show you. I'm going to have a countdown timer. I'm going to have drawing tools available to me so that I can write on my presentation. And I have my audio. I'm going to show my webcam preview. That way you can see me in the presentation as I'm filming. Makes it a little more personal. So click record. Here we are. And click on share this screen. So here we have it. This is our presentation. We're going to Paris. Isn't that wonderful? And then I can just click on share my slides. I can talk about my slides. This is just a sample, of course. And I wanted to show you how Screencastify works. If I wanted to label something, I've got the blue pin here. Oh, the tip top is way up here. Want to erase that? There's an eraser down here at the bottom. And I can just erase that. And there you have it. This is Screencastify. Go back up to the top, stop with the arrow, then I stop recording, and it automatically saved it because that's what I asked it to do. Over here on the right side, I can share it directly to my Google Classroom. I can get the link and click here to share it. Because I set the settings up to automatically save to Screencastify folder, it's already being saved, but if you didn't do that, you can click download here and it will save it. Share, you can share to Classroom, publish to YouTube, which is a great feature. More options, generate a QR code. So these are your options for sharing. I hope you found this helpful and that you now can use Screencastify to help you teach your lessons remotely and be more engaging for your students. Go ahead, take that step. Be uniquely wonderful you. Bye.